Hello everyone, welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Codemode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning all about data, and in today's class we will learn about data storage in text files. Before I start, don't forget to like this video and follow our channel on YouTube, especially if you are already on YouTube right now and watching this video. You simply need to click subscribe button. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more videos and courses. Let's begin. A text file with typically an extension .txt on Windows operating system is the most basic form of data storage. You can write a program in Python or Java and store some information in the text file. When your program exits or you restart the computer, the data you captured and wrote in the text file will be available because that text file is stored on the secondary storage, what we refer as hard disk of the computer. Now, when you can later go and double click the file on Windows and open a text file with a notepad and read the data. This is very useful when you are storing small amount of data. Let's say I want to store list of students and their corresponding grades, final grade in the class. If there are only few students, it is much easier to do this because you can see here Joe Smith got grade A. Now, how did we distinguish that the first part is name and second part is grade? We used a space in between. And since these two are strings or text, I am using double quote. That way, when I'm reading this, I can tell my program to find a space and split. And that way I know the left part is the name and right part is the grade. So storing the data in this format and later on reading becomes easy. However, as I said, as the volume of data grows, imagine right now we have only 4 students. But what happens if this is, we have 1 million students? In that case, finding myself, if I say Yash and grade is A+. In order to find Yash, I have to start from the top and read line by line to see where I am. And that operation, reading line by line and going and finding myself, would be very time consuming. That means the system will be, the program will respond very slowly. If you give this program to somebody to use it and the program is taking a lot of time, the user may get frustrated and exit your program thinking the program is hung. So your text file may not be the right file format or data storage when you have a large amount of data. Second important thing here is that space may not be the right separator. It is possible that space is here, as you can see, between the word Zach and Bimrose. So we may use a different type of separator in that case. And in the next class, I'll talk about it, different type of separators, that we use it in what we refer as CSV files, which are nothing but comma delimited files. Now that's all in this class. I hope you understood, one of the most basic data storage, which is text files. If you have any question, please post it in the community on our platform, that is my.codemode.us, and you would get an answer. Please take time to solve the quiz associated with this concept. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Keep learning.